Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the environment and initiating repair. Plug a prepared USB installer with the Android x8664 ISO, set BIOS to AUSI and enable USB boot. Once done, boot the USB and choose the live or installer mode. This gives access to recovery tools and a shell. Make sure to have partition info and a /data backup. You will need these to avoid data loss. You're doing this because Phoenix often stalls from bad boot entries, corrupted user data, or mismatched partition types. Now you inspect and repair partitions and files. Open a terminal, run lsblk and blkid to locate system, data, and boot partitions. Then unmount and run fsck for the reported file system, fsck, ext4 or fsck. F2fs, accept fixes so corrupted inodes are repaired. Once clean, mount system and data to /mnt and check init files and build. Prop for wrong paths or missing modules. Make targeted file restores or replace faulty modules. This resolves boot loops caused by file system corruption or incorrect init sequences. Finish by fixing the bootloader and finalizing repairs. For UEFI, use EFIbootnger to recreate the Phoenix entry and ensure the EFI files are in /EFI/Android. For legacy BIOS, run grub install to the disk and update grub. CFG with the correct kernel and root equals parameter. After restoring boot entries, clear cache and dalvik/art caches in /data or perform a controlled factory reset if needed. If problems persist, reflash a known good ISO or restore your backup image. If stuck, check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.